Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about weekend reviews? So, here we are going to update you with the Sunbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you've already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States, Sweden, United Kingdom, and India are very curious to know about this site. So, guys, make sure to watch the full video and get to know about the full details of this site. So, now we'll talk about the website's details, we'll talk about the website's type, and the products they deals with. So, this website is an online shopping store which deals with clothing products, household products, then personal care products, equipments, accessories, jewelries, and many more. So guys, if you're interested, then you have to visit to their official site. So next we'll check their payment method. But as you can see, they haven't given it separately. For that, you have to go to the FAQ section. Then you have to scroll it down and here they have given the payment options. So guys, this website accepts credit cards, Apple Pay, PayPal and so on. Now guys, if you want to know about the shipping timing, for that also you have to go to the FAQs and here they've given it. So they mentioned that after you have ordered, they ship the items within 3 days. Also, the scooter arrived to you within 4 to 30 days. So you can check this out. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now we are going to talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. It is a good sign of this website. Now talking about their domain information, this website was registered on 26th of December 2020 and it is going to expire on 26th of December 2021, which means this website is not that old. Now guys, if you want to know about their about us details, this website does not have any about us page section. So next we are going to check their contact details. So here they have only given their email address. They haven't provided the full contact details, which is drawback. But the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now guys, we'll talk about the social media presence of this site. So guys, we have checked, but this website does not have any social media presence at all, which is a huge drawback. Now guys, if you want to know about their return and refund policy, for that also you have to go to the FAQ section, scroll it down. And here they've given it. So here it has mentioned that if you want to return the product, you should return it within 5 days. Now, about the refund, they have mentioned that if the refund is approved, it will be processed to your original mode of payment shortly after. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the weekend reviews, there are no customer review of this website anywhere and the trust score of this website is 60% and the business trust ranking is 58.4%, which is quite good. But the content quality seems to be totally plagiarized. So in the conclusion of the weekend reviews, this website appears to be a scam website. Though this website's trust score is good, but this website is very new. Also, it does not have any reviews or any social media presence. Also, they haven't given their full contact details. So it seems like it is a scam website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.